Hi, I am Derek Burke, and this is my son Aiden Burke, and we are going to work on some content vocabulary strategies in
Science.
middle school science. Okay?
Intermediate school science.
Intermediate school science. All right. I'll show him the computer.
We will be doing 2 periodic table elements. We will be doing Mg with 12 electrons, 12 neutrons, and 12 protons. I'm sorry, that took me so long. And for second one,
And MG stands for magnesium. We'll double check this information before we get it on his
thank
poster.
you. It is magnesium. For our second one, it will be Na. I bet you know that, Dad.
Na, science is not exactly my forte, but the good thing about technology and not being afraid to make mistakes is we get to look this up. So open another window browser.
Hold on. Before we do that, what is it Na? I'm sorry. Na mean?
I think it's salt, but I'm not sure.
If it's salt, it will be salt.
All right, well let's
So, okay.
open a window and see what that is.
We will be doing these two combined.
While Aiden is looking up Na, all right, I want to show the class what he has used before. This is his rough draft of a T-chart. You have elements on one side. Elements are the things that are appearing on the periodic table that he showed us.
So,
all right. And then compounds. Compounds are a mixture of two elements that produce a lot of things that we use today, such as water. Have we found what Na stands for yet using our technology?
no, but
Let's do that right now. We can open another window. Videographer, check this out here. Okay.
don't do that.
Na on the, it's fine. P-R-I-O-D. I know, it's fine, it's fine. Okay. Na, sodium. It's not really salt, but sodium. It's part of the table salts. Table salts.
Stop, God.
Table salt that we use today. Okay? Alright. So what we need to do is get these elements onto the poster board. Okay? And 2 examples of compounds and the T-charts onto the poster board, and then this is going to be our graphic organizer for us to see.
So, now we will be doing compounds, and I choose to do on my poster board. We will be doing, as you can see, carbon dioxide 2 and NO2, nitrogen dioxide.
Okay. A lot of these vocabulary words, which are very difficult for us to remember, Aiden has a knack for science, so he gets it naturally. We would practice that so we could do a variety of vocabulary strategies for us to better understand these terms. But having a hands-on in-class and outside-of-class project, such as this poster board, is a great example for students to practice and not being afraid to learn and do good and so possibly make mistakes with the information. Alright, what's our first step, Aiden?
Okay, we will be making a T-bar, which, can you hold this please?
I'll be glad to move the computer. Let's make sure we keep that safe.
We will move this out of the way. Move the computer bit, please. Okay. Okay. We will grab a random marker.
We have all of our supplies we need beforehand, guys. Always good to be prepared. And we're going to be neat, and we're going to measure, and we're going to make it something that's very careful.
And for the little, we have a little chart at my school. It's to grade. It is to grade how it is good. It's organized from 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1 is no neatness, no color, and no pictures.
That's a great example, Aiden, of something we try to use in school, a rubric to
Yes.
grade
Thank you. I
our
was looking for the word.
projects. Now, this is a mostly in-class project. Aiden has decided to go his own way and wants to do this by himself. He has a love for science, and he wanted this to show. The end of the 6 weeks is coming up, and Aiden wants us to do a really good job and help us grade.
And
And
this,
what better way to practice some vocabulary strategies and practice use of organizers and a rubric to assess how well he knows and uses the vocabulary both in and outside of class.
Thank you, Dad, for holding that ruler down. We won't be going that far. Okay, let go.
so Longwood teachers, you might like this video. It's very sciencey and all of that.
Sure.
Do you have any science Longwood teachers? No?
I believe we might. Thank you, Francis Ford Coppola.
What? What is that?
It's a famous director. You're directing this video for us.
No, call me Leonardo da Vinci.
Leonardo da Vinci was a famous scientist
Artist.
and scientist.
What? Oh
Yes, sir.
yeah, he made that plane. No, call me. Who's that? Albert Einstein.
Albert
Sure.
Einstein.
Sure.
Well, guys, you don't have to be Einstein to take your time, get the information.
Be like Nike and just do it. As I
What?
said before, be like Nike and just do it.
Nike.
All right, we have the T-bar drawn on the poster board.
Now I will write, and I am doing compounds like in elements. So if you want to get colorful, grab another random marker and can you hold this, please?
Notice he has his rough draft with the vocabulary written.
Make sure you have it capitalized and neat so everybody can read it. Sorry, this is taking me a long time, guys. It's just I'm so slow.
Well, neat handwriting doesn't is alright.
Oh snap! I messed up.
Okay, this happens sometimes. We work on stuff, guys. We have a little minor error. It's a good thing we have two sides to the board, or we also got extra boards.
I am sorry. I am sorry, guys.
I'd like to take this as an opportunity, videographer, as an opportunity to make sure that we challenge our kids and our students, our classmates, and our faculty to not be afraid to make mistakes. You're going to make more mistakes in education, especially in science. How many mistakes do famous scientists make?
Probably
Lots
a
of them.
lot.
Okay?
I'm
So,
sorry, guys. I got mixed up with elements and examples.
that's okay. That's okay. So, you want to try this all over again? All
Okay.
right. How about I make the T-bar for
Yeah.
you? Okay. That way we can get this thing.
I'll get that later. Stop
How
at
far
the-
up?
Can you stop at the 8?
I can. Okay. All right. Now, do you want it straight across here?
Like go back to where the 6 is. 6. 6. Yeah, like that. Yes.
Okay. And then side two.
Yes.
See, Longwood teachers, this is how they talk it over and then figure it out.
Now, we will put the examples. Wait, I'm sorry. We will be writing now. I will
Do we
not.
need to write elements and compounds?
Sorry guys, this is our just
You want to restart that?
Our 10 minutes is up. We are well on our way to our advanced graphic organizer with elements and compounds. I am Derek Burke. This is Aiden Burke. This is a Colin Burke production. All right. Thank you.
Hey, hold on just a second. Can you hold this? Here, be right there. Longwood University, let's